Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. My name is Drew. This is Just a Guy Linux on YouTube, and it is Giving Tuesday. So I wanted to throw this out there. When I first started this channel, I had no expectations for viewership or subscribers. Now the channel has breached the 3,500 subscriber mark. And since this is the holiday season, I would like to take this time to thank you for your time, your views, your comments. Most of them are incredibly kind. Some are a bit of help to either educate myself or another viewer. So thank you. And I'm not sure if you're aware, I don't have a way to generate earnings for this channel, and that's intentional, as I don't want to feel obligated to make videos worthy of advertising or a tip jar or whatever. And I have no plan to change my thoughts about this. So with this in mind and in the spirit of the season, please take the time to find a charity that fills your soul and give. I'm incredibly blessed and recognize I can do more. I donated server space and built websites to local nonprofits for about a decade, and I'm not doing that anymore, which is why I'm looking for something different this year. So if you are looking for a suggestion, Bridging Tech is a nonprofit that attempts to bridge the digital divide for children who are homeless or poverty-stricken. And they accept tech-based donations like old laptops as well as cash or crypto. And they're also looking for volunteers to tutor. So check out and see if they have a drop-off location near you if you have old computers or whatnot. I know there is at least one in Central Florida, so that's good for me. And let me throw out a few more. Just PBS is my favorite streaming service and invaluable as far as I'm concerned. Toys for Tots, if you're looking to help the Marines provide toys for needy children. And then this is kind of interesting. Do your own research on this. I haven't done enough, but this payaway.org, which helps families helps you pay off layaway balances for families in need. So regardless, I'll be putting more free content out during the season, but my prayer is for you and yours to have a safe and joyous holiday season, and God bless.